Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to compress a video in your Flutter app. Now this tutorial will be only for Flutter Android. Unfortunately I haven't figured it out how to do it for iOS. So yeah, this will be only for Flutter Android. So here I have one button and I will click on this particular button. It will open the video picker for me, and as you can see I have this particular video and I will select this particular video. Once I select this particular video, if I you can see that nothing has been displayed, but if I see my logcat, it shows me how much percentage of compression has happened. Now this will take time depending on how big your video is. So here you can see I'm doing a logcat. If you want, you can send this percentage back to Flutter side as well, like using an event channel. So I already have videos on my channels like how to use event channel to send continuous stream of data from native Android side to Flutter. So here you can see it is still going on. So it has reached 87 95. So hopefully it should be soon. So it has reached almost 100. So we should be able to see a video picker. So here you can see now this is the compressed video which is playing. I have paused the video because the audio is bit disturbing to me. So if I now click on open video picker without permission, here you can see now there are two videos. Now I will also show you a comparison of size. So if I go to my files app, if I go to videos, here you can see there are two videos. If I select the compressed video and if I select the details, here you can see it is almost 8.22 MB. And if I select the original video and see the details, here you can see it is almost 12 MB. So it has compressed our video. It is possible to compress it even further. I will tell you, because I wanted to keep the video quality high, that's why it has compressed only 4 MBs, but you can compress it even further. So let's get started with the code. So here you can see this is our Flutter project, and I have just refactored my home page widget. It is a stateful widget. I have created one method channel for picking video picker. So here you can see on button press we are just invoking that channel. So once the video has been picked, we get the URI. As soon as I have the URI of the picked video, I immediately start the compression for it, and here you get the URL of the compressed video which I saved in this particular variable. And once if this is not equal to empty, then only we show this my video view widget which I have created. So it has wrapped inside a size box so that it displays proper width and height. Now here you can see I have created this my video view.dart file. So it is a stateful widget. It takes creation params, it takes one key as well. Here we are creating one unique key. We are sending the video URL back to native Android side. This did update widget is because we want to update our widget every time the user picks a new video from video picker. And if platform is Android, we are displaying an Android view. We are creating one key, we are creating one view type as well. Now we will have to create this on the Flutter on the native Android side as well. And here you can see this is our identifier, so we will have to use the same identifier on Android side as well. So we'll have to create this native UI view as well as this method channel for picking video. So what you will have to do is you will have to open this Android folder inside Android Studio. I have already done that. The first thing which you will have to do is go to settings.gradle, and here update the Kotlin version to at least 1.9.20. Then go to build.gradle of your module app, update the min SDK version to at least 24. And here inside dependencies I have added this activity KTX as well as fragment KTX for picking video, because we want to use the register for activity result API. And media 3 Exoplayer as well as media 3 UI are for playing the video. And this light compressor is a library which will help us to compress the video. Next we will come to main activity. So firstly I will show you the imports. So these are all the imports. Firstly you will have to replace Flutter activity with Flutter fragment activity. Then I have created one method channel result. I have configured Flutter engine. Here we are registering our Flutter engine, so we are passing the same identifier which we have passed it on Flutter side. This is our method channel, so same identifier again. And once this method is called, we call this launch new video picker method. So if you come over here you can see we are filtering only by videos. So it opens the video picker for us, and once the user picks the video, the callback comes over here. We get the URI. Here I check if the URI is not equal to null, then we start our video compression. So here I pass our context. If you want to compress multiple videos at the same time, provided you have the media URIs for each one of them, you can pass in this list, but just for simplicity I am only selected one video. Each streamable is false. This shared storage configuration will help you to automatically save the compressed video to external storage, so you don't have to worry about it. Also, before I forget, make sure inside Android manifest, okay, yeah, we don't require any permission, but I think if you are using like my Android devices, I'm using the latest version, right? That's why I didn't face this issue, but thankfully I got remember write external storage. You would require write external storage permission, and I think it is only up till what HDK max HDK 32. Okay, why is it showing error? I think it is up till 28 or something, I guess, something like that. Is it 29? No, up to 28, max HDK 28. So if you are using below, then you would require this particular permission, and this library will handle that permission for you. But about 28 it uses scope storage, so we don't require any permission. Okay, then here we are passing the name of our file. So if you are passing multiple media URIs, again you will have to pass multiple file names. So this is my file name, change it whatever to you feel like. Now to compress the video even further, here you can see I have kept the video quality as very high, but you can select whatever video quality you want depending on compression. Don't select low, because then the video is not at all visible. Min bitrate checked enable equal to false. I'm not really sure what does this mean, but there are other properties, optional properties as well. If you want, you can use this. Then we get callbacks. So here is for on progress. Here you can use event channel to send data back to Flutter side if you want to, and here is or on start, and once success is called, I'm sending the updated path back to Flutter side, and in case of failure I'm just displaying a toast message. In case of cancel, you can also display whatever you want to. So that's it for main activity. Then go to my video view factory, create a kotlin file, and again this is boilerplate code which you have to write anytime like you want to integrate a native UI in Flutter side. So this is boilerplate code, copy pasted. Here you can see we are referencing our kotlin file called my video view. So create a kotlin file called my video view. Again I'll scroll up, and these are all the imports for it. And firstly I have taken one linear layout, then I have taken one Exoplayer, play when ready is true, current item is 0, playback position is 0, play. Here we are creating our player view. Here we are returning our linear layout. In dispose we are releasing our player. Then here I have created our layout params, assigning it to our linear layout. Then here I have created one player view. Then I am doing player view dot layout params equal to layout params. I assign our our player view to linear layout. Then we call setup player, in which I am pass our video URL. Then inside setup player we just call first player dot release. Then we make it null, and then we create an Exoplayer out of it. Assign our Exoplayer to player view dot player, create a media item from the URL, and just prepare our Exoplayer. If you want, you can use this hide system UI. This is not really necessary, and this is the code for releasing our player. So yeah, I think that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.